Good morning, students. How are you? So, today we will discuss 10th class topic of mathematics. We have done chapter number 8. What's the name of chapter? That Introduction to Trigonometry. So, next is what? Next chapter name is some application of trigonometry. What is that? Some application of trigonometry. What's the use of trigonometry? What's the name of the chapter? Some application in real life. What's application of trigonometry? Some application of trigonometry. So, chapter number 8 we have done. So, what's the use of trigonometry? I am taking an example. Here you have to measure what? Height and distance. Height and distance by using what? Trigonometry. Trigonometry. Like this. This is a big building, or you can say Qutub Minar. Here is Qutub Minar situated in Delhi. This is what? Qutub Minar, and you have to measure its height without measuring it. Is it possible without measuring? You can find out the height of it. Yes, possible. How can possible? With the help of trigonometry, this is possible. With the help of trigonometry, this is possible. If someone standing here and looking here, so here some angle formed. Some angle formed. Let this distance is x meters. Understood? And this angle is 30 degree. What is that? 30 degree. It may be 45 degree. So I am telling this is saying angle of elevation. From downside, if you are looking upside, this is saying angle of elevation. And from the upside looking downside, meaning someone sitting here and looking here, it's meaning this is the angle of depression. What is that? Angle of depression. So first I want to tell how can you measure this. So it's become a right angle triangle or what? This angle is 90 degree. So let this point then A, B, and this is C. AC by BC is what? Tangent 30 degree. What is that? Tangent 30 degree. What is that? Tangent 30 degree. So AC is equal to BC into tangent 30 degree. This value you know, this value you know, multiply these two and you are getting what? Height of this building, this Qutub Minar, you can say. Understood or not? This is saying, this angle is saying, I already told you, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Understood? Understood or not? And what about angle of depression? This is someone is sitting here and looking here. Looking here. So which angle formed? This is the parallel side of it. This angle is formed with it. This angle is formed with it. This is parallel to this, so this angle equal to this angle. This is saying what? Angle of depression. What saying? Angle of depression. Understood? This is what? Horizontal level you can see. Or this is parallel to this horizontal level. Understood? This angle equal to this. Why? Alternates angle between the two parallel lines. Only the difference angle of elevation and angle of depression. But angle remains same. According to this. Understood? So easily you can measure. So come on the question number 1. Example number 1 of this chapter. Here is only 2 topics, 2 things: angle of depression, angle of elevation, and remaining the use of what? Trigonometry. Remaining the use of trigonometry. So much easy portion, but so much useful, so many applications. We are measuring the height of so much high buildings, length of the depth of the water in sea, so many things. So it's written, example number 1, a tower stand vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. So this is the tower, and some point 15 meters away from it, a tower stand vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Someone looking here, then this angle formed from this point is how much degree angle formed? 60 degrees. How much degree angle formed? 60 degrees. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Let h be the height of the tower. Let this what become. Let AB equal to h is the height of the tower. C is a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of tower. Now in which triangle ABC, this is right angle or not right angle? AB by BC is equal to what? Perpendicular by base, tangent 60. What is tangent 60? Understood or not? And AB you have to find out is equal to BC into √ 3. Why? Tangent 60 equal to √ 3. So AB equal to 15 √ 3 meters. So what's the height of this tower? 15 √ 3 meters. If you want to write, put the value of √ 3, that also is 15 into 1.71 something. Understood or not understood? Example number 2. Example number 2. Erase this. An electrician has to repair an electrical fault on a pole of 5 meters. What's the height of the pole? 5 meters. This is 5 meter high pole. She needs to reach the point 1 to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to understand the repair work. So let this is the reach here. Okay, so this up to here how much? 5 meter total, 1.30 here, and 7, it's meaning what? 3.7. So this is 3.7 meter. This point is 3.7 meter. What should be the length of the ladder that she should be used, which the incline and angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would be enable her to reach the required position? Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? So you have to tell this. This is the length. Let this is what according to B. This is the point. This is the A point. This is B. This is C and D. Here BD is the what? Length of ladder. What's the length of ladder? BD. Yes or no? BD is the length of the ladder. Understood? And D is a point. D is a point where foot of what? Ladder. This is foot and up to this. And this angle is how much degree? Again 60 degree. How much degree? 60 degree, like that question. Horizontal, this is vertical, this is horizontal. Making 60 degree angle, this is become 60 degree angle. Understood? Okay. Now you have to find out what? You have to find out BD what and DC what. So first in triangle BCD, BC by DC is equal to tangent 60. Yes or no? BD BC by understood this? So BC, you have to find out BC. So bring BC by tangent 60 is equal to what? BC. BC how much? 3.7. What is that? 3.7. What's the value of tangent 60? And root 3 is equal to this. So this is 3.7 by root 3. Now again, what? BC by BB. Its meaning perpendicular by hypotenuse is what? Sine of 60. BC DB you have to find out. BC by sine of 60 degree is equal to DB. Yes or no? So BC how much? 3.7. Sine 60 and root 3 by 2, root coming outside is equal to 3. Its meaning is equal to dB. Is equal to dB. Its meaning the point which is, you can say BD equal to twice of BC. BD equal to twice of BC. This length is 2 times of it. Then that person able to work with it. So remaining example number 3, 4, 5. Try to solve 6. So tomorrow you can try to solve these all example. If any other problem we will discuss, and I will send one Assignment also related to chapter number 8, that also solve. If you don't understood this example, I will tell remaining example number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we will start exercise. Only one exercise in this chapter, but better you can do hard work. Okay, situation you can understood. We cannot say anything, and totally your loss if you cannot reach. So try to reach. Thank you.